Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, we're going to demonstrate where the relay for the radiator fan, cooling fan, is located on a 2012 F-150. But even if you have a different year, that generation F-150, the video may be helpful. You have multiple fuses for the radiator fan, low speed, high speed radiator fan. You have multiple fuses. We'll have the videos on the channel. Check it out if you need help with that as well. If your fan doesn't work, definitely check them, guys. You need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, above the radiator, you have that fuse box. That's the cover. And once you open it, it will face your fuses and relays. That way we can zoom it and clearly show you what we have here. You will be, guys, on this side, and that will be towards the windshield side. Now first, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. These relays, Ford Motor Company relays, could be hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. They could be pricey too, so I'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box. I'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy them at a really good price and quick shipping. The relay that we'll need to check, guys, for the high speed fan will be in that row right here. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're talking about that fifth relay, guys, okay, right here. That fifth relay is for high speed radiator fan. The low speed radiator fan will be that relay all the way in the corner on the right side. You can see right here. Now you will have another relay as well, guys, and the other relay will be for the fan control module. This is the brains for the fan practically, guys, and the fan control module relay will be located right here. So these three relays will need to be checked, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.